Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create bill in Xero. Xero is very nice accounting software, so creating bills is one of the greatest thing that you can do there, but most definitely something you should expect. I created previous videos about Xero, the beginner ones, but I haven't paid attention to creating the bills, so I'm creating this video right now. The fastest way how to create a bill is going to the top right corner and you see this plus button. When you click on the plus button, the second option on the pop-up window is a bill. From who is this bill that you have to pay? Let's go from Emily Young. You can either add new contact or just go one time, or let's go with Rocket Company. Let's go with Rocket Company. Due date, it's classic 14 days, so it will be 14 September. Reference is the name of the invoice that arrived. So let's go with 005. Item, let's go with Rocket. Parts, description. Oh, come on. New item, item code. 01. Item name, rocket parts, 5 units, price 5,000, purchase account, expenses, and save. Unique, okay. Quantity 1, unit price, tax rate. We can go with a tax that we created before, so it's 20%, same as it is at in Slovakia. And also the currency is euro, but you can easily add another currency from all of the, even like Hungarian forint, Haitian guard, Iraqi dinar, Iranian rial, and Zambian kwacha. Okay, whatever. So like this, you can either save it for someone, for your boss to approve it, or you can straight away approve it. Just like that, you just approved it, but the account must be valid. Obviously, I'm not feeling very secure putting my my account on internet just like that, so I created the fake one, and that one obviously doesn't work. So GG's. If you have some kind of questions about how to create a new bill in Xero, let me know in the video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.